So today we're here from MaxHub to introduce our latest product, the EXCore Kit Pro. EXCore Kit Pro is capable of dual screen. It has built-in HDMI and USB-C ingest, and most importantly, it's running Windows 11 IoT. Windows 11 IoT is very important so that you can take advantage of all the AI features. Along with this device, it comes with this larger screen tablet, and you can touch to start your meeting at any time. I'm going to go ahead and start a meeting, and you'll see our latest MaxHub P30 camera come to life. So it goes from a stationary position. It has multiple cameras. It has an AI camera that reads the room, and then it has the PTZ camera that zooms, follows, and tracks people that are presenting in the meeting. When the meeting is over, you simply touch End Meeting, and you'll see the camera will return to its resting position, and also this makes sure it's secure and there's no recording going on within the room at all. So these are available as a package. They're Microsoft certified products, and they're available now from MaxHub.